Hey, this video is going to show you how to make a call using the mobile app. You simply have to open up your smartphone app, and then you have two options to call. You can either dial by number, where if you click that option, you can just dial in any number you want and call it. Alternatively, you can search through your contacts, and of course these contacts are the contacts that you have synced from Podio into smartphone. I can grab them, I can see all the different numbers we have for them, and then choose to text or call. If I want to call, I simply press the phone button, and there you see we are now making a call. When I'm on that call, I have the option to obviously, there we go, and there's the video. I have the option to go into the keypad, and of course to adjust notes. And I can end the call at any time. When I end the call, I have the option of my outbound statuses if it's an outbound call, and I can select anything I wish. Left message, and now that call is in the system. Once you've made a call, of course that call will also show up in the recent call log on the mobile app as well, and it is immediately logged in your Podio system and smartphone as always.